Hello everybody from Farm and Sugartown Sweets and Treats. We got a treat. One of our local bee club members, Charles Stearns, just dropped me off a swarm that he captured in the Ritter. And since I have some drawn out comb, he called me up and said, would I like them? So here they are. So we're fixing to put them in the frames or in the box. And I closed the entryway to the box off, so they'll stay in here tonight. And tomorrow I'll open them up so they can do their orientation flight. But I've got 7 frames of drawn comb in here so they can get to work immediately and the queen can start laying eggs. So without any further ado, we're going to pop it open and we're just going to dump the bees in here and close the lid and call it a night. What I'm going to go ahead and open the entryway because all the bees that did not get in there are going to want to go in there to be where the queen is. And I'm looking around here at the few that didn't get in there, and I do not see a queen in this little bunch. So now we'll just leave them be, and the rest of these will smell her in there and they'll move in there with her. And it's just as simple as that, folks. And we want to thank Charles for delivering us a hive or a colony. Since one of mine swarmed the other day, now I've got a potential replacement here, and we let these girls go to work. Y'all have a good evening.